Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to exploring the significance of tea chalk in Islamabad as a hub for the political protest and public gathering. Known as the heart of political activism in the capital, the tea chalk has been the site of numerous demonstrations and over the years. We will dive into the legal implications of the protest at this location, its historical context, impact on public order and safety. Historical context: the Chowk, located at the red zone of Islamabad, has a long history of being focal point of the political protest since 1980s. It has been a major site for demonstrations, including those who against government policies and political movement. The square's strategic locations at the junction of two major roads make it an ideal cause for large gatherings. Legal implications: public order and protest, detox blocks and disrupt large public order. So the authorities are almost worried about their rule of law and maintaining public peace. Freedom of assembly: the right of peaceful assembly is the fundamental right, but it comes with the responsibility. Protest must be conducted in a responsible manner, not to danger anyone. Legal framework: the legal framework governing the protest in Pakistan includes provision for maintaining public order and ensuring the demonstration do not escalate into violence. Authorities have the power to impose restrictions on the protest to prevent disruptions and ensure public safety. Broader context: G chalk importance as a protest site highlighted the ongoing struggle for political expression and challenges of balancing the right with the public order. The legal system must navigate these complexities to ensure the protests are conducted peacefully and with the boundaries of the limit. In conclusion, D-Chalk remain a crucial space for political activism in Islamabad, reflecting dynamic nature of Pakistan political landscape. The legal implication of the protest at this location underscores the need for the balanced approach to maintaining public order while respecting the right of peaceful assembly. Stay tuned on our channel for more legal updates and legal analysis.